How to stay safe using Bolt. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily stay safe using Bolt application. So to ensure your safety using Bolt, you might as well head over to the verification section of your application of your ride section. So to ensure your safety while using Bolt during the ride, you can verify the driver and verify the details against the application. So basically you just have to share your ride details with the trusted contacts and utilize the app's safety features like emergency assistance, ride sharing. So you can also enable this pickup code to actually verify for each trip by matching a unique code with your driver, which will make you feel safer knowing that you are in the right vehicle with the right driver. And you can also prevent someone else from taking your ride by mistake. So always verify your driver and vehicle, choose a safe location, share ride details, communicate with the driver properly, and always stay aware of your surroundings while on any ride. Wear a seatbelt, use safety features like Bolt's emergency assistant feature, which connects you to emergency services or Bolt's safety team. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.